Hi, my name's Emma. Welcome to my channel, 365 Days of Shakespeare. I am doing a little bit of Shakespeare every day for 365 days. I'm a new mum and an actress, and today I'm a little bit pissed. I am doing Sir Toby Belch because he is generally pissed in the play Twelfth Night. Pasta, fish, sunshine, Shakespeare. Honestly, great fourth trimester. Confine. I'll confine myself, no finer than I am. These clothes are good enough to drink in, and so be these boots too, and they be not. Let them hang themselves in their own straps. With drinking healths to my niece, I'll drink to her as long as there is passage in my throat, and drink in Illyria. He's a coward and a coistrel that will not drink to my niece till his brains turn o' the toe like a parish top. Ha! What wench? Castellano vulgo. Oh, for here comes Sir Andrew Ague Face.